When I was little, whenever I smelled the cooking of fried fish, I knew he was home.
Daddy, you're back. Discover anything interesting from the sea?
Today, when we were sailing on the sea, the boat suddenly floated up.
I cherished every moment spent with Dad because he would be away for months whenever he went out to sea.
Honorable ancestors, please bless us with a bountiful and safe voyage this time. I'm going out to sea.
Daddy, don't get seasick.
I won't. I'm not piloting a spaceship.
The sky is dark and the wind is howling. Why are you still heading out to fish? Dad?
Dad's broken promises became a norm, and these disappointments accumulated into a chasm, making it hard for us to interact with each other. You are home. I'm off to work now. These white splashes indicate the location of the fish zones, and the flashing values above show our accuracy.
Vicky, the fishing boats we contacted last time refused us again.
Okay.
Honorable ancestors, please bless Vicky good luck at work.
Dad, we really can't find a fishing boat. Can't you help me just this once?
It would help if she were a bit more flexible in her personality. Finding a good partner and getting married would be ideal. You haven't found a boat yet?
Not yet. Those fishermen said that even with their over 10 years of experience, they can't always find fish. So how can we, who sit in the office, expect to?
They're right. What do you outsiders know?
Who are outsiders? You'll never know unless you try. If our drone is successful, we could find larger schools of fish, allowing everyone to come home earlier.
It's not as simple as you think. Stop messing around.
Forget it. You're never around when I need you, so why bother telling you anything?
The sky is dark and the wind is howling. Why are you still heading out to fish? Dad?
As the child of an offshore fishing vessel captain, I know firsthand the regret of missing family moments. I aim to develop technology that helps offshore fishermen achieve their target yield more quickly, allowing them to spend more time with their loved ones.
How many of you are getting on the boat?
Why? We originally had 3 or 4, but now it's probably just 2 of us. Are you letting us on the boat?
We're setting sail next Wednesday. Can you be ready by then?
Yes, we definitely won't cause any trouble. We'll stay on the deck.
Do you need motion sickness medicine?
No, I'm the captain's daughter. Don't underestimate me.